good luck.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching and returning. So in this video I'll be showing you how to add roots to your frontal. This is part 2 of part 1 of my blonde series. So if you haven't watched part 1 on how I got my 613, this beautiful ash blonde color with secrets on how to get the gray out, then you should check out part 1 of how to tone your 613 hair ash blonde. Right now you see me mixing the product to add the roots to my hair. The best part about this product is that it's actually permanent, so when you do wash your hair, or if you ever get caught in the rain or you get wet, you don't have to worry about the color bleeding down on the blonde and messing it up. Once I'm done mixing my product, I'm going to pin down my frontal so I can start adding the product to the roots. And again, all the information of the product that I'm using to create this look will be down in the description box. So right now I'm actually preparing my frontal to add the roots to it, and as you can see, I'm using most of my items from my wig kit essentials, which is of course the T-pin, the mannequin head, and then also the duck clips to keep the hair in place. You want to make sure you have control over your flyaways and all the hair, because you don't want to get dye on parts of your frontal that you don't want dye on.
It's from the court with a little more precision. They understand me, but they still can't see my vision. That's okay. Waving the towel, I ain't giving up. That's so late. This is for my dealer. We right on the time. And if you was my dealer, I probably wouldn't mind. If you was my dealer, you right all the time. And if you was my dealer, I probably wouldn't mind.
And now my secret is finally revealed on how I got these flawless roots on my frontal. It's all in the brush and your technique. So you want to start by applying a little bit of the product to the brush, and it's very creamy, so it's not liquidy, so you have a lot of control of how much you're actually going to add to the frontal. And what I'm doing is I'm just tapping it very lightly and very gently on the roots itself, making sure that I'm not making it bleed through to the through the net itself. You can see I'm applying the product to the top part of the hair and also to the bottom parts of it. Therefore, you can get it on both sides. You just don't want the top part of your hair being dyed. And the product is very thick, so you have a lot of control of it not bleeding through on your hair or the root or the frontal itself.
From my SP12, now they love my sound. Moved ever since my cap and gown, and they copy now. I inspire styles that lies you tell. I bet I get the fish to drown. Look at I got this here, so grow your crown. Mean they doubted now, performing in your sound, and all I ask is that you show me round. This is for the thriller, and I'm doing this for all my children. Let you know there ain't no ceiling. Just be creative as you can be when you get that feeling. Oh, you nailed the Asian lady with no feelings. She just my dealer. Help me paint this picture. Scale with acrylic. Extract but the number 2, I'm sick with it. Only sticking with this cause I'm truly gifted. I got a message that might keep you grounded or fly over your head. Neutral pitching. It's from the court with a little more precision. They understand me but they still can't see my vision. That's okay. Waving the towel, I ain't giving up. That's so late. This is for my dealer. We right on the time. And if you was my dealer, I probably wouldn't mind. If you was my dealer, you right on the time. And if you was my dealer, I probably wouldn't mind. Oh God.
After a while of adding the roots to the hair, I started putting foil in between the parts, only because I didn't want, when I flipped over each layer, for that heaviness to bleed through on the longer parts of the hair. So it kind of gave me a divider, so it kept the product where it needed to be and not make it run down on the rest of the hair. started to add the roots to the bundle. I did it in no particular way. I just added it. It was very sloppy. I didn't really care about the perfection of the bundles only because it was going to be hidden, and I didn't really want long roots. If I wanted it to be longer, I would have paid more attention to the way how I was adding the product to the hair so I can prevent those harsh lines that's created from adding the dye with a brush. I left the dye in the hair for about 30 minutes and then I washed it out. I don't think it needs to be in the hair for longer than that. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, click, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video, which will be part 3 on how I created this wig with only using 2 bundles and 1 frontal.
Well, can you be my dealer? Give me right all the time.